I've just checked into LeBlanc and we have a lagoon view, and Jose was explaining some of the features of this room.
Hello, welcome to LeBlanc. My name is Jose. I'm the butler here at LeBlanc. Okay, now since the reopening, we became a more eco-friendly resort. We don't have any more paper menu. Now everything is on the TV. To get access to all the room and the hotel amenities, you only have to press the smart on the remote. Go to the section LeBlanc. English. In here you will find the room service menu if you want to order food to the room. We have breakfast, lunch, dinners, vegetarian, gluten-free, vegan menu, everything is here. The service is 24 hours. To order, you only have to press it from your telephone and order. You can order anything at any time. Also here you will find the butler services. This is some of the services that we can provide as a butler. We can leave it to pack or unpack your luggage, shoe shining, dinner reservation, spa reservations, jacuzzi preparation, pretty much anything that you want or desire, you can get it. Comfort menu. Here you will find the bath salts for the jacuzzi. We have 10 different kinds of salts. Depends the situation, if you want something to exfoliate the body, or something for the sunburn, or just something to relax, we have the salts.
And we can order that by the phone?
By the phone,
Wonderful.
Just pressing 0, or you can use the app that we have on the Blanc.
Oh, so I can download the app on my phone.
You can download the app and you can make all the requests through the app. Also, we have Aromatherapy. We have 9 different essences for the room, the same, for something to relax, something just to, something sweet for the room, for something to breathe better during the night. We have 9 different essences. You already have the diffuser on the side. And you only have to tell me what kind of essence would you like for the room. Also, we have pillow menu. You have goose feather pillows on your bed, but also we have orthopedic, chamomile, lavender, and pellegrini pillows if you want. And this is the new edition of the hotel. We have the handcrafted soap menu. We have 5 different kind of soaps. If you want to try something with lavender essence or something with the Moroccan pica salt, also we have different soap.
That's really interesting. I have never seen this offered at any resort that I've been to.
Plus we have the Bulgari soap, that's the signature soap that you already know, but also we have these 5 different if you want to try something new.
Yes.
We also have this soap. Okay, any questions so far?
No, it's wonderful.
Okay, this is the comfort menu. Now, we have motion sensors around the room, okay? Once you leave the room, the motion sensor is not going to detect you anymore, and all the power supply is going to turn off. Just save the environment. If you want to leave your cell phones, laptop, iPad charging, we have the express from here. This plug has power 24/7. Okay?
So even though the room would turn off, our devices would still charge?
Charging, yes. Only we have this one. The rest of the room is going to be completely off to save the environment. Okay?
Perfect. And mini fridge, coffee?
Okay. Over here we have the thermostat. If you want to control the air conditioner, right now it's Celsius. You can change to Fahrenheit. Pressing this button from here.
We're Canadians and we're Celsius.
Ah. And also you can, if you play display, it will show you the room temperature. You can see the temperature of the room. This side we have the closet. Here in the closet you will find ropes, hangers, iron boarding. The safe, to use the safe is pretty easy. You only have to press 4 code digits and then lock to close and to open the same code. The laundry service format is already located here. The laundry service is the only service that is not included in the all-inclusive package, but here you will find the prices for every item that you want to send. We have 2 kinds of service. Regular service, it takes around 24 and 36 hours, and the express service is for the same day. Okay, over here we have the fun part of the room. Here you will find the alcohol dispenser with tequila, rum, vodka, and whiskey. To use it is pretty easy. You only have to push up if you want to drink something. Also, we have a complimentary red wine bottle. If you don't like red wine, I can change you for white wine, sparkle wine, or rose wine.
And if someone wanted something other than what's displayed here, perhaps they wanted gin, could it be substituted?
We can change the gin, depending on the brand of gin that the guest wants. We can get it, or some other case has an extra charge because it's a premium bottle. But yes, we have gin. We can change the bottles. We have the espresso machine. To use it is pretty easy. You only have to put water here in the jar. You only have to put water. And turn on. Okay?
Perfect.
Here on the top, you will see the coffee capsules. Then I will show you where are they. Are over here. What is the snack bar? Glasses, coffee cups, the capsules for the cafeteria, coffee, milk, spoon, and sugar.
This is one of the most detailed drawers that I have ever seen. So we've got Hershey's, Milky Way, M&M's, chips, beautiful drinking glasses, coffee cups, and the espresso. This is extremely elegant.
And well, this is the capsules for the espresso machine. You only have to put it here and close.
Perfect.
This is for the espresso shot, or if you want the large coffee, press this little button from here. Okay, over here is located the mini bar. I'm looking for you. It's already filled with water, beer, soda, orange juice, Hershey's, and pineapple juice. If you want to drink a special soda or beer, you can let me know, and I just can refill it with the drinks.
So we've Sprite, Pepsi-Cola, Coca-Cola, Corona, juices,
Budweiser,
Canada Dry. Perfect.
Okay, on this side you will find the bathroom amenities, amenity box, shaving kit, and dental kit. Over here we have the flat iron if you need it, and the hair dryer. It's on this side. Okay. Also the mirror has a light. To turn on the light of the mirror, you only have to press this little button from here, and you will have the light.
And a makeup mirror
Yeah, the
that's
makeup
lit
mirror
as well.
also has a light. Over here we have the bottom. Just go to the right.
And Bulgari amenities.
Yes, Bulgarian amenities.
Is that body cream there?
Yes, ma'am. It's body lotion. Yes.
Body lotion. And
And
this
over here with
is
soap,
Bulgari soap.
and the shampoo, and everything. I will show you where are they. It's here. This is the lights of the bathroom, the WC, and the shower. Okay. Over here we have the shower. Okay. As you can see, the shower has two shower faucets. On the top, it's going to control only the jet, these two, and the bottom, it's going to control only the wire. Plus, this shower has the hydro massage. To activate it, you need to open both and press this little button from here. Once you press it, the water pressure is going to be higher in both jets. Plus, you will get the rain shower. Pretty much water everywhere.
And again, I'm just going to step into the shower here momentarily. And we have Bulgari products.
We have an extra telephone here in case you have any requests when you have in the shower.
And a jacuzzi.
A jacuzzi. It's for two people. I can help you with the jacuzzi preparation. You only have to tell me what time would you like, and once you return to the room, everything is gonna be ready for you.
So you would prepare a bath.
Yes, with the salsa of your selection, and with bubbles and everything.
That is pampering. Wonderful. Thank you, Jose.
Okay, my pleasure.
We thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
one more
thank
time.
you so
Welcome
much.
to LeBlanc. My name is Jose. I'm gonna be your butler. Okay. And before I leave, let me show you the last part of the room. It's here. Okay. Over here we have the lights control. You can control all the lights pressing this button from here. The lights of the hall. This one. And these two buttons from here are the important ones. Okay. The one on the top means do not disturb. Okay, once you press it, it's going to turn on orange, and on the other side of the door, it's going to show the sign privacy. That means that we cannot call you or disturb you for any reason. Okay, it's very important when you decide to go to the beach or the pool, check that the sign is off. Why? Because housekeeping, if they come, they cannot come in and clean the room. And to request the cleaning of the room, just press this little button from here. Again, it's going to turn on orange LED, and the other side is going to show green.
Perfect.
Okay? Any questions so far on your requirement?
Nope. Thank you for your time and your explanation. Much appreciated.
Your luggage is on the way. Would you like me to unpack your luggage or?
No, I'm good.
I think we're good right now.
Okay.
Gracias.
Welcome. See you soon.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
I just
So if you think that upgrading isn't worth it, I hope that that little explanation from Jose demonstrated that if you are going on a vacation and you're thinking, should I choose a 5-star? I hope that this video demonstrates that it should be on your radar. It should be something that you consider. Le Blanc. This is going to be a fabulous stay. Call me, Susan from Escapes, and let's book your next getaway.